This is the Victorinox Super Tinker. Let's get into all the functions. So first, there's the main blade, and back here there's a pen blade. And there's like your standard opening layer with a ball opener, or that's the can opener and the ball opener. And back in the middle, we have some scissors, which are always great because the Victorinox scissors are always great. And on the back, we have the screwdriver. We have a parcel hook. We can go back like this too. And finally, we have we have the sewing awl, and we have the toothpick and the tweezers. So yeah, that's it.